So I don't do the whole bonnet thing going out the house, okay? So you'll never catch me with a bonnet. And yes, I got my rollers in, okay? This is that old school, but I just took my son to school. So, no, I did not get out the car. Y'all know I ain't getting out the car. Unless something happened with my car. Which it didn't happen, thank goodness. But don't judge me, judge your mom. But look, the heat in this car is helping dry this, okay? I'm going to come back and show y'all how I look after. This is how you flexi ride. Do an overnight set. Before you undo these, make sure your hair is dry. Because if it's not dry, I know that's been, I've been on this flexi ride journey. I just re-flexi ride it after wearing it for 2 days. So I redid them. So I wore my hair like this for 2 days and then re-rolled it like I told you. And I'm going to show you guys. Let's try to see how many days I could go without flexing it. And to be honest, when I was rolling this, I don't think that I needed to necessarily, but I just wanted, the ones in the back was falling, but it was still tight towards the ends, the tips of my hair. But I wanted it to be a little bit more, I don't know. So I didn't reapply any mousse or anything like that. I just sprayed it with some water. I mixed my water with my olive oil. And of course I detangled my hair, because you cannot ride it with tangled hair. That's just a no-no. And that's pretty much how I did it. But I'm going to show you guys how many days my flexi set lasts me. And if it doesn't last a long time, the reason why it probably won't last, I got a feeling it's going to last more than 3 days, maybe 4. But the only reason why I'm saying that is because I didn't do a fresh set. I had already washed my hair and wore a set for 2 days, and I just rolled it. So we gonna see. I'm gonna be y'all test dummy, and we're gonna see how many days I can go without resetting. And I'll tell y'all, you would think the flexi rides was comfortable to sleep. I felt like, y'all know how cute on Friday, how old girl was sleeping like this. His sister, who was played by not Nia Long, who was his sister in Friday? Come on, Gemma, get it together. Regina King, how she was sleeping because she had that short hairstyle. That's kind of how I felt last night. I was sleeping like I had a cut, because these things are uncomfortable, because you want it tight at the root, not too tight, but tight enough. Don't listen to my car if you get to, but not super tight. But I was sitting there like, this is so uncomfortable. So this gonna be my day of just wearing this. And like I said, I'm gonna come back on here and show you how it look. But I separated with olive oil. Maybe I'll go live on my YouTube. So if you want to see how I unroll these, which I'm about to do shortly, I might sit under the dryer for a little bit. But I'll show you guys how I take them apart, probably on YouTube. So meet me on my YouTube, Jim. And yeah, it's real easy. So yeah, this is the morning. And I'm telling you, I got my heat on high, and it ain't really that cold out, but it's helping with the drying process, because your girl. Oh, I know I just went through all of what I did. So that video, I did that, and guys, let me show you how it turned out. I'm gonna put it somewhere up in here. It did not turn out well. So what I did was, I did not rewash my hair. I'm probably gonna wash it in a couple of days. So now is the day that I'm gonna start how long my flexi rides look. So this is day 2, and I'm gonna show you day 1 from when I did this, and the whole other one when it was just hit. So I'm gonna show the one that I redid with just water, and I didn't apply any mousse, which is going to be somewhere right here. And then I'm going to show day 1 of this set that I did right there. And when I reset this, I did it live on my YouTube channel. So go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to link that here. And so you can see how I flexi did. So The link will be in the description or the comment section of how I set these with the mousse and all that. So if you want to see how I did that, just let me know. And the reason why the other one I called it a failure is because it was very puffy. It did not dry all the way. It looked good a little bit as I took it, as I wore it when I first initially took it out. But as the days went on and all that, it just got bigger and bigger and puffier and puffier. And then the curls just knocked right out of it. So this is really the look I was going for, where the curls are still heightened. You see, this is kind of how my whole head looked. This curl right here. And I may flexi that tonight, or I might not, and just let it fall. So, and I noticed I like the smaller curls or medium size flexi rods more than the bigger ones, because I can really wrap around. I could really wrap a whole lot more hair around instead of the big ones. It's like 1, 2, but I could do 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm probably gonna do the smaller ones moving forward, like my green ones and stuff like that, and my red ones. But yeah, I love rocking a flexi set. Only thing I need to do now is cut my ends, and yeah, I'm probably gonna rock this for a while. I'm probably gonna cut my ends and then wear a protective style. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you guys day 1, day 2, and day 3, and up to the time where it's time to take it out, so you guys can know how long a flexi set will last. So yeah. So this is day 5, as y'all can see. It's done. Day 5, but so not a complete week. But I didn't recurl anything. You see some curls are still looking good. Yeah. I still love the flexi set. Let me show you. I'll tuck one back here. But I still love it. I could rock it one more day. It's just going to get puffier, which I'll probably do. But yeah. All I do too at night. Let me show you what I do at night. This is what I do at night. I get a headband, which I actually think this one is too big, but I put it over. I actually have a looser one. I don't know where it's at, but I bring it up, kind of like you would do a high puff. Bring it all the way up. Then I put my shower cap on. Oh, this is a vibe. I think this will be my style for tomorrow. And then I'm gonna show you how I do the rest. I put the shower cap on over it, and when I go to bed, this is what I do. So I put the bonnet. This bonnet is kind of big because I wore it when I had braids. But there's no here, no there. You see, it don't really cover it, and then I go to bed, and I wake up in the morning. I spray it with some oil sheen. Take this out. I see my hair ain't curled around here. Anyway, shake it out. Your girl is back. So that's how I made my Flexi Rod set last. You can see the whole, see the back. Now I'm just going off the front. To me, it looked good. As you can see, I started separating some pieces. But I can tell the ones that was on the big Flexi rod versus the ones that weren't. These were on my green ones and my red ones, which I'm going to show you real quick. So I bought this pack off of Amazon. I'll have it in the description. But these ones are for these. And that's what I'm probably going to roll my hair with moving forward. And then the ones that are puffy are the ones that I use, like the bigger size, which are these, the gray ones, the orange ones, and stuff like that. So, yeah, this is 5 days wearing a flexi set. So, I'm going to show you again. This is the look. Tomorrow, I'm probably going to wear it in that, the headband. I'm about to find my not so tight headband that I have, and that's what I'm going to put on tonight. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this helped you if you're thinking about getting a Flexi set. And yeah. All right. Peace and hair grease. Bye.